Hi guys, so today I want to show you how I did and how I used my wire from what I cut it from the broken water pump, and it's kind of long piece of cord left over, so I didn't want to throw it out. I want to reuse it, so I kept it for a while, and yeah, today is time about to how to use it. So I thought like make a extension cord. This is nice and thick wire cord. It's capable to carry 300 volts. It's pretty thick. Okay, so I have a plug, the one side which is manufacturer made, and the other side I'm going to install socket. And socket I purchased in the store. It's illuminating, so it's pretty basic, and I want to do it now. Okay, so I open the socket, and before I should measure how much wire I need to unblank it or take insulation off of that. So it's here, is the screw, 1 3/4, 2 inches. Okay, 2 inches of that. Take the insulation off, which is approximately here. And cut it carefully, don't go through all the wires, just to open it, pull the wire out of the black insulation. And after this, to have it open, clear the insulation on each wire. So I know that the black wire is hot wire, white is neutral, and the green is ground. Yeah, so it's easy. So first I'm gonna start like open the insulation part about 5/8 or a little bit more than ½ inch. You can use the pliers on it for it. It's much easier. I don't have it here somewhere in my toolbox, but same thing. Okay. This one is not very thick cable. Okay, it's coming. Pliers are definitely better to open it. Knife is not that best solution because you can cut yourself easily. Okay, the last one here. Yeah. And turn it nicely and tightly around. The white one, neutral. So how to determine on which cable, on what color goes on which screw in the socket? It's easy. I know by heart. That's black goes on the brass screw, and white on a silver. So B on B, BB, and green on a green screw. So we have 3 color inside the socket. So let's see if I have enough. Yeah. So I want to make sure I go around and catch it and snap it here. Okay. Should be okay. Go through this part from the back, from the rear. So here. Okay. Now, like I said, first, usually I don't know how everybody do, but I used to do first the green as the ground. Okay, and we go clockwise, all right? Maybe I should go a little bit longer for better connection. Yeah, we'll see. I still have enough. I still have long enough. No. So longer is better, definitely, but not too long, so the wires doesn't touch each other. Okay, now we go black on brass screw. Open it and go clockwise. Make sure it's tight enough, or it's tight fairly enough. Okay, it's all around the screw. Now just go tight and tight force. Okay, last one is the white, should go on a silver screw. A silver is also white color. Okay, oh, we have even it's even easier, so just need to push it in here. I didn't notice that, but it's okay. So this is even better connection. The green is alright, so white is alright, and the black, I pull it out and put it inside, like between those two metal plates, like white one. So there is the metal plate, one here. You open it, you create a little bit like channel, push it in, hold in position, and tied it so those two plates will catch the wire, and that's it. So now, okay, bring the no, I know a little bit too long. If this occurs that the cord is not thick enough and it doesn't grab this, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put more of piece of the black insulation here. Yeah. Now we have to go like we have to find the spot. Okay, each screw has each right spot. I don't know where I am. Here we go. Now this is the right spot. Now tied it. these are stiff. It's like one-time use, so I need to go stronger, much harder. I need a Phillips screwdriver. Hold on a second. Phillips screwdriver. Here we go. Yeah, much better grab. That's it. Okay, make sure it's in the black. It's in. Like I said, if it's not going to hold and it'll be loose, so I put a little bit of that around, which probably I'm going to do. You'll see when I tied it how much it will tight. Okay, so this is, yeah, it grabbed. Yeah, see, it's squeezed enough, so it's squeezed between these two yellow parts of the socket. Even this one here needs to be tightened, and we should be okay now. Let's make the test. Okay, this is what, maybe 15 feet long. Okay, I'm going to plug it here in this side of my shop. I have the one plug. Oh, the first sign is here. It's illuminating, nice and green. Now you'll see what will happen on my heater. Heater is strong enough. I mean the higher amperes and volts. Something is there. Something is blocking there. Now, okay. Yeah, works okay. Heater's light is on. Heater's on. Okay. Now, what about this one? Yeah, works. Okay. So this is how I made and how I used the offcut from the broken water pump in our swimming pool. Okay, so yeah, if you have something like that and you want to, it's up to you. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and if you want, subscribe. Thank you.